So when you fill a cup with water, there's no room for anything else. That's how Caleb followed God. His life was completely filled with following God. There was no room for doubt, fear, or other things. Today, we have an even greater privilege. The Holy Spirit lives in us. The Holy Spirit gives us a different spirit. Faith instead of fear. Hope instead of despair. Challenging instead of giving up. Romans chapter 8 verse 26 says, in the same way, the Spirit helps us in our weakness.